is that permaculture is coming from this perspective of how can we design ourselves out of crisis, recognizing that, yeah, there's definitely an ecological crisis, even though we're in denial about it and we're sticking our heads in the sand and we're not willing to actually talk about it in a way that's comprehensive. We tend to be very myopic and kind of very specific to one subject. Idiosyncratic environmental issues tend to abound rather than comprehensive understanding of how do all these issues interrelate to one another. You know, we tend to have groups that just focus on cutting down old growth forests and preventing it, groups that just focus on water quality, groups that just focus on transportation issues, groups that just focus on education issues. And that's a problem in our present society that a lot of liberals have pointed to for a couple decades. It said, you know, liberal movements are great, but how come they're all fighting each other and not in agreement about what they're trying to do and doing collaborative work? So when we talk about ecological consciousness, that comes back to how can human beings begin to create cooperative ways of living that are planet-wide, because we do all share what goes on this planet.